Today I'm going to show you how to set up the teen driver mode in this 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. It's very simple to do. And I also explain all the features it has. So your first thing you're wanting to do is go to settings, and you want to go to vehicle tab, which is here, and hit teen driver. And this allows you to do those things on there, customize your keys. Now I've already placed the key in the proper spot. On the Equinox, it's in this front cup holder, and you just lean the key up against the cup holder there. All right, so let's do that. I'm gonna make a generic code up. We'll just make it all ones. You'll have to put it in there twice. All right, it's in there. So now that's step one. So let's go to step two, which we want to do set up the key. So you'll place your key down here. But quit falling over on me. Get up there, key. All right, add. And successful, so you know you've done it right. Now what will also happen is on this screen, you will be limited to 85 miles an hour, like a governor for your teen. So let's go to some more features on here. You can look at the report card. That just shows you all the stuff that your teen's doing. You can manage your settings, which is the volume, which we'll just go ahead and do that now. You can turn that on or off, and this is what it will do. You can set the audio volume limit when they get in. The speed limiter, you can turn that on or off. Right now it's turned on. The warning, it'll pop up if they're driving too fast. The speed warning, you can customize this to whatever you want, but it's going to be an alert for your teen. So if they're getting too fast, it'll tell them, hey, you're at 55 miles an hour. You can turn the XM explicit filter on and off here too. And that is how you do it. Now, if you want to change the pin, you can from this screen, and you can set up the keys there. And also, you'll use that to clear it out off your teen driver mode. Another big thing is you have to buckle up before your radio will operate on this too. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.